Welcome to DreamHaven Ideas. Close your eyes and imagine stepping into a backyard that feels like a cherished memory, where weathered wood meets blooming roses, where soft light glows through climbing vines, and where every corner invites you to slow down and breathe. This is the magic of rustic farmhouse garden design. Today, we're exploring over 100 rustic farmhouse backyard ideas for 2026 that blend vintage decor with DIY raised bed garden designs. Whether you have a small courtyard or a sprawling yard, these inspiring designs show how reclaimed materials, heritage plants, and thoughtful details can transform your outdoor space into a peaceful sanctuary that feels both timeless and deeply personal. As we wander through these enchanting spaces, notice how rustic farmhouse design celebrates authenticity. Reclaimed barnwood becomes pergolas draped in climbing roses and jasmine. Natural flagstone pathways, edged with moss, guide you through layers of lush greenery. Vintage lanterns and Edison bulbs cast a warm, magical glow as evening falls. You'll see how every element tells a story, yet the overall feeling is one of effortless calm. Heritage plants like heirloom roses, hydrangeas, and boxwood create structure and seasonal beauty, while edible herbs in galvanized containers bring fragrance and function. Layered textures, weathered wood, smooth stone, soft linens create depth without clutter. The beauty of this style lies in its flexibility. Mix vintage finds with modern comforts. Choose plants that thrive in your climate, reducing maintenance while maximizing impact. And remember, rustic doesn't mean rough. With intentional design, farmhouse gardens achieve a refined, cozy luxury that welcomes you home every day. As you explore these ideas, I invite you to imagine which elements would bring warmth to your own outdoor space. Would you prefer the romantic charm of a whitewashed arbor heavy with climbing roses? Or does your heart lean toward a cozy fire pit area surrounded by log seating and soft blankets? Consider your lifestyle. Do you crave a quiet morning retreat for coffee among the herbs? Perhaps a simple stone fountain and a vintage bench create the perfect nook. Do you love gathering with family? A reclaimed wood dining set under string lights transforms your yard into an inviting entertainer's paradise. Do you value sustainability, heritage plants, and reclaimed materials? Honor the past while protecting the future. Think about the feeling you want to cultivate. Is it the nostalgic comfort of a country cottage? The refined ease of a luxury farmhouse retreat? The peaceful simplicity of a green sanctuary? Each of these visions is achievable through the warmth and intention of rustic design. If these rustic farmhouse backyard ideas have inspired you to reimagine your outdoor space, we'd be grateful if you'd like this video and subscribe to DreamHaven Ideas. By joining our community, you'll receive weekly inspiration for creating beautiful, meaningful outdoor spaces that nurture your soul and connect you to nature. We're here to help you design the cozy, luxurious retreat you deserve. Now, settle in and enjoy this curated collection of rustic farmhouse backyard inspiration. Let these images spark your creativity and remind you of the profound beauty of simple, intentional living.